Hello, everyone. Um, I'm going to present you a final project for social media course 6311 fall semester. And the objective of this project is to use the NetworkX and IG graph to analyze some information. Okay, so the source of data, it's coming from a network that was generated using email data from a large European research institute. Okay, basically it shows email from point A to point B. However, it doesn't include the return email, just the outgoing emails. Um, and what you're going to find in this core of emails, European email networks, um, between two members, we will be able to see the graph summary, the number of nodes, edge of edges, and the average degree, node attribute, node degree, neighbors, node influence, and distance, and subgraph as well. Okay, so we will start first by uploading the file, which I did already, but I'll show how to do that. I have it in my download file, and it's called emails. This is the text file that the program will use to analyze the information. So first we're gonna import NetworkX as NX, and then we're gonna import the matplotlib as plot. Then we're gonna upload the data. The data, as we said, it's gonna be email.text, and the node type will be integer. Okay, now the program read the edge list, and now we can print the summary. So this is basically the code, summary, NX, info G, and print the summary. As you can see, this is the summary. Of the type of graph, we do have 1,005 nodes, and number of edges, we have 16,706, and the average degree is 33.24. Now, I would like to see all the degree of node 0. Basically, we have 40, the result is that we do have 44. Additional, we would like to see all graph, the full graph for all the nodes that we're going to remove all the nodes from 0, and then we're going to draw it. Takes a few minutes because now we're using NetworkX, which is a little bit slower. And I cannot process the information as fast as the IG graph, which we're going to use now. So the IG graph, we need first to install it. So we're going to install the iGraph, Python iGraph. Yeah, the installation takes a few seconds. And now we're going to import the iGraph as IG. And we're going to run the summary. Okay. Now we see that we have 1,005 as the same results that we got over here, number of nodes. Yeah. So it's supposed to work the same. And this is the layout. This is the full graph. As you see, the graph here is a little bit more details with the nodes as we saw with the NetworkX. Now we're going to see all the neighbors that we do have. 0. Now we would like to find the degrees. You have a problem here. Skip it or fix it later. Now we want to see the subgraph. Okay, find the shortest path between, we're going to choose node 111 and 600. Okay, we're going to color it in blue. And the shortest path is going to be colored in red. Okay. Now we're going to run it. So you see 84, 111, and 600. That's from 0. Okay. If I want to change it to 10, for example, sorry. It's not going to let me. Anyway, this is the result. Whatever is marked in red is the short path. Yeah, the resolution is very dense. That's the. Now we're going to calculate it, all the nodes between us. So at the node with the largest bit misses currently is 160. Now we would like to run community graph. Community, it's going to show us all the community that we do have in different colors that we're going to basically decide to run. So let's run the program. Now you can see the community. Each color represents different community. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 communities. However, we're going to check it later and we're going to see that we have more than that. So the reason that it shows only is because we limited it to the colors. Now we're going to graph for one subgraph, okay? Which a community of 6. If I'm going to choose different community, let's say 600, I'm going to get a different graph. Oops, why do you get it? Try something different. Let's see the community that we do have here. Let's take 248. Six, it gives me, let's try 0. Okay, that's the community of 0. Okay, we remember 0 before 84 and 111. Now we're going to change it to community 25. Now it's going to give me 24. Doesn't give me the 10. Yep. 9. 5. Okay, this is the community for 5. Now we're going to go back to NetworkX. I'm going to upload the file again. Between us, we're going to find, and we're going to see the same result that we basically got over here. So with IG graph, we got the node with the largest bit between us. Essentially is 160. Now we're going to run with iGraph, with NetworkX, and we're going to see the result, which is 160 as well. Now we're going to install Graph Tool. it's still running. Take few. Okay, now we're gonna, after we install it, we're gonna upload it, import it as a GT, and we call the G as a GT load graph, okay, from the same file. Okay, now we want to remove the following nodes, and we would like to plot the graph, and this is the graph that we see, which is very interesting, okay. Excellent, beautiful. So see, and the object with value type, okay, for graph. Very nice picture. Now you would like to go back again to NetworkX, okay? And we want to read the edge list because we would like to find the same graph, same information as this one, doing the same thing for NetworkX, and we're gonna see again the difference on the resolution and the quality of the graph. As you can see, it takes longer to upload it, much longer. And look how the graph looks compared to this graph. Same results. Now we're going to try to find the shortest path for source 0, target 400. Okay. Again, don't forget we're using NetworkX. Takes a long time to process it. Okay, as you can see, this is the shortest graph of the shortest between 2 points marked in red, as we point out. Okay, you can change it target to 0 to 1, for example. 0 to 5. It'll take us again the same time. Okay, as you can see, it's going to show us the shortest path between the red dots. Okay, I changed the number again. I changed it from 0 to 966. Now I'm going to try to find the communities. How many communities do we have in this graph? And we do have 25. And now we're going to try to run a plot to show the community. We ran this report with different program. Okay, look how it looks like here. That with NetworkX, and over here we ran it with we ran it here with IG graph. Same result, just different graph. Resolution, the program is a little bit stronger, so it can show the better results. Okay, I came back to the previous lines to find the degrees. So I basically put different degrees. Okay, from here, and I put 0, 966, and to 18. You can see that you get different results every time. So the program works, which is very good. Again, we use 3 programs here to show how the system behave processing the same type of information. with IGGraph, it's running faster than NetworkX, and also the way that the results presented is a little bit better. However, the information is the same, the result is the same. And the same thing when we installed the graph tool, we managed to see also the same graph compared to the NetworkX, and it's look a little bit different, but it's the same results. Thank you very much.